Then the flocculated and non-flocculated suspension. These are the two kind of suspension. Means if if we prep if our preparation is flocculated, that time it is called that we called it. After the formulation, we will get either the flocculated or a non-flocculated suspension, right? Means why it is called as a flocculated and non-flocculated, right? Means the flocculated for suspension is when our suspension is flocculated, that time is we will call it our suspension is a stable, right? In case of non-flocculated, that time we will call it there is our form preparation or a suspension are not stable. mean, mean the suspension, if our suspension is a non-flocculated, that time we will call it unstable. If flocculated, that time is we will call it stable form of suspension, right? Means these are the two form of suspension. So let's see, we can set it flocculated suspension. Means when we can say it is a flocculated suspension, right? So let's see what is the actual meaning of suspension. When the individual particles are in contact with each other and form a network like structure. Means our suspended particles means insoluble, the insoluble part of our drug particles, the particles of our insoluble drug, right? The particles of our insoluble drug, if our particles are of if our individual particles are contact with each other and form a network like structure, that time we will call it flocculated suspension, right? And in case of non-flocculated, when the individual particles exist as a separate entity or form a cake, right? So let's see, means a network like structure means what. Look this, let's see this picture, that is a flocculated. Means if our particles, the insoluble particles of our drug is form a network like structure like this, if our particles form a network like structure like this picture, that time we will call it our suspension is flocculated, right? Our suspension is flocculated. And and in case of non-flocculated, when the individual particles exist as a separate entity, right? Means these particles are separately exist or separately present. Means it does not form a chain like structure, it is available in individual particles, means separately, that time it is called it. Or non-flocculated suspension form a cake like structure, means that each and every particles closely come in contact with each other and form a hard cake like structure. If our suspension form a this kind of structure or this kind of cake, that time we will call it non-flocculated. And if the suspension form a this kind of structural network like structure, that time we will call it flocculated suspension, right? So we can discriminate suspension by following ways, right? Means we can distinguish the flocculated and non-flocculated suspension, right? We can distinguish the flocculated and non-flocculated suspension. Means what kind of condition or what kind of point which is separate out the flocculated and non-flocculated suspension, right? So let's see difference of the flocculated and non-flocculated suspension. So this column gives the information of regarding the flocculated suspension, and this box or this column give you information regarding the non-flocculated suspension. So first of all, in from the flocculated suspension, the particles form a network like structure. The particles form a network like structure. Means whatever we means our insoluble part of our particle, right? The particle of our insoluble drug, right? It's form a network like structure, means this kind of structure, this kind of structure, it form a this kind of structure, means the particle which is present in our suspension, if particle form a this kind of network like structure, that time we will call it, it is a flocculated. But in case of non flocculated, that particles are exist in a separate entity, means these particles, in flocculated condition, this particle form a chain like structure, but in case of non flocculated, these particles are present or available in separate entity, means these particles are away from the each other, right, means exist in a separate entity, मीन्स जो ये जो पार्टिकल्स है, जो पार्टिकल्स दिखा रही है, एक दूसरे से चिपक के नहीं रहेंगे, ये ऐसे दूर दूर रहेंगे, तब जाके क्या बोलेंगे, non flocculated suspension, that is particle exist in a present in a separate entity, that is not form a network structure, right, means non flocculated suspension does not form a network like structure, does not form a this kind of structure, right. Then sedimentation rate is high, sedimentation rate is high, means in case of flocculated suspension, the sedimentation rate means, sedimentation rate means the sedimentation rate means these particles are float, right, float on the upper surface, right, these are the floating particles, right. The sedimentation means that particles are settled down at the bottom, means how much how much amount of particles are settle into a bottom, that is the sedimentation volume, means मतलब जो ये जो particles है, ये जो यहाँ से यहाँ तक, मतलब अपर साइड से लेकर लोअर साइड तक आने का जो टाइम है, उसको हम सेडिमेंटेशन रेट बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है, मीन्स ये जो पार्टिकल्स है इंसोल्यूबल, तो ऑब्वियसली कुछ टाइम बाद क्या होगा, सेटल हो जाएगा नीचे, तो सेटल होने का जो रेट है या फिर वैल्यू है, स्पीड है, उससे क्या बोलेंगे हम, सेडिमेंटेशन वॉल्यूम, राइट। तो इन केस ऑफ द सेडिमेंटेशन जो वॉल्यूम है, रेट है, वो फ्लोकुलेटेड सस्पेंशन में क्या है, हाई है, मतलब जल्दी से क्या हो जाएगा, क्विकली the particles are settled down at the bottom. But in case of non-flocculated suspension, that insoluble particles are sediment at a slow rate, means are slowly settled down at the bottom, right. Then sediment rapidly form, right, at sediment slowly form, and that sediment are, means sedimentation rate will be higher in flocculated suspension, and the formation of the sediment are fast also. But in case of non-flocculated, the sediment are slowly formed, right, the formation of the speed of or rate of formation of sediment are slow. तो सेडिमेंट हम किससे बोलेंगे, लाइक मीन्स ऐसा, ठीक है। तो ये जो पार्टिकल्स है, ये क्या होगा, कुछ टाइम बाद ऐसा प्रेसिपिटेट टाइप फॉर्म करेगा, ठीक है। तो मतलब ऐसा प्रेसिपिटेट टाइप फॉर्म करने का जो रेट है फ्लोकुलेटेड में हायर है, ठीक है, और जो नॉन फ्लोकुलेटेड में वो लो है, मतलब स्लोली फॉर्म होगा, और इसमें क्या होगा, फ्लोकुलेटेड में फास्टली फॉर्म होगा, ठीक है। Then sediment easily redispersed, sediment difficult to redisperse, right, means redisperse मतलब सपोज करो ये जो पार्टिकल्स, ये जो सस्पेंशन का जो पार्टिकल्स है, ये क्या होगा, एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे सेडिमेंट हो जाएगा, नीचे आके बैठ जाएगा इसके जैसा, ठीक है। लेकिन इसे अगर शेक करते हैं तो क्या होगा, इजीली रिडिस्पर्स हो जाएगा, मतलब ये जो पहले जो फॉर्म में अवेलेबल था वो फॉर्म में वो आ जाएगा in case of flocculated suspension, right. But in case of non flocculated suspension, this precipitate does not redisperse properly, means ये जो पहले जो फॉर्म है, ये जो फॉर्म है, ये फॉर्म में वो नहीं आएगा, ठीक है। Then sediment is loosely packed and not form a cake. Not form a cake. In case of flocculated suspension, the sediment is closely packed and not form a cake. In case of non-flocculated, sediment closely packed and form a hard cake, right? Means क्या होगा? In case of flocculated suspension, it form a network like structure, right, and does not form a cake, means this kind of structure. But in case of flocculated suspension, non-flocculated suspension, it form a cake like structure, hard cake like structure. And if due to the hard cake like structure, it does not redispersed after shaking, right? But in case of flocculated suspension, it form a network like structure and form a loose network. That's why after shaking it will be redispersed, right? Then it has a clear liquid, it has a no clear liquid, it has a clear liquid and it has a no clear liquid. Means this is a flocculated suspension, right? It's give a clear liquid, and but not in case of non-flocculated, it has a unpleasant or unclear प्रिपरेशन, अनक्लियर लिक्विड, राइट? मतलब जो लिक्विड होगा सस्पेंशन का फ्लोकुलेटेड में, वो क्या होगा? क्लियर होगा, ट्रांसपेरेंट होगा. बट जो सस्पेंशन नॉन फ्लोकुलेटेड है उसमें क्या होगा? अनक्लियर होगा, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा क्लाउडी या फिर टर्बिड होगा. देन फ्लोकुलेटेड स्टिक टू द साइड ऑफ द बॉल. फ्लोकुलेट स्टिक टू साइड ऑफ द बॉल मीन्स जो फ्लोकुलेट्स है, मीन्स ये जो पार्टिकल्स है, ये क्या होगा? इन केस ऑफ फ्लोकुलेटेड सस्पेंशन, इट इज स्टिक टू द साइड वॉल ऑफ द बॉटल, राइट? बट इन केस ऑफ नॉन फ्लोकुलेटेड सस्पेंशन, these particles are does not stick to the or does not adhere to the side wall of the bottle, right? Then suspension has no pleasant appearance, right? Suspension has a pleasant appearance, means the flocculated suspension are not attractive, right? But non-flocculated suspension are attractive, means the flocculated suspension are not in pleasant appearance, means उसका जो appearance होगा वो ज़्यादा attractive नहीं होगा. एंड जो नॉन फ्लोकुलेटेड सस्पेंशन है उसका जो अपीयरेंस है, फिजिकल बाहर से जो लुक है, वो अट्रैक्टिव होगा, मीन्स अपीयरेंस प्लीजेंट होगा उसका, राइट? सो दिस इज द some point which is our conditions or some points which is necessary to fulfill the flocculated suspension, or by identifying or by noticing this kind of properties we can call it our preparation is flocculated or non-flocculated, right? So this is the one chart that is giving information regarding flocculated and non-flocculated suspension, right? Means see, it is show the time period, short period, then medium period, then long period, means short period for minute, then for long period means it's hours and day, and long period means week and year. Means flocculated suspension shows for a minute, after some minute, a few minute, after a few minute the supernatant liquid will be clear. Supernatant liquid means our upper part of our preparation, that is superlatent liquid will be clear. Supernatant liquid are clear. But in case of flocculated, there is a unclear of supernatant liquid, right? And no much change in the initial, means there is no changes of, means the flocculated suspension, the sedimentation rate of is high and sediment are formed rapidly, means due to the formation of due to the high sedimentation rate, the it's give a clear, it easily or fastly settle down. But in case of non-flocculated